Good morning students, welcome to our session. In previous video I started lesson 5 sound. In that we discussed the main point is a vibrating body produces sound. For that we discussed different activities. Okay, now in this video I'm going to explain about sound has energy. Once again, sound has energy. So how we will prove that otherwise sound, how you will prove sound has energy? For this we have to discuss one activity. Now I'm going to explain this activity. For this the things required are one plastic bottle and cell phone. You take one plastic bottle, okay, and you take the full plastic bottle and you cut the neck part of that plastic bottle. Okay, then in that you take one cell phone and place the cell phone at the bottom of this bottle. Okay, now you play music in this cell phone, and from that it produces a loud sound, means high volume. So play music in this cell phone with the high volume and place it in the plastic bottle which you cut the part. Next, in this, then the neck part you have to cover it by you take the balloons are available. So take one balloon and cut it. With that balloon layer you have to stretch and close it this bottle, the upper this neck of this bottle by the balloon. Now stretch this balloon and how will close it? You take one rubber band and just close it with the rubber band. Then afterwards you take either the fine sand particles, or otherwise you take the sugar crystals and place it on this balloon. Here you kept the cell phone and the music is on in the cell phone which you kept inside of this bottle. So from the cell phone it is producing the loud music. Due to that loud music from this bottle, what happens? This sugar, suppose if you take the sugar particles start jumping from the what is this? Balloon. From the balloon, means otherwise the sugar particles are dancing. Dancing means just the particles are jumping up and down. So this is the case 1. So here the sugar particles are dancing or the jumping due to here the cell phone is on. From the cell phone music is coming continuously with the loud sound. Due to that sound, here the sugar particles are jumping or the moving. Now in case 2, next you take case 2. Same bottle you take it, okay, and remove the cell phone. And take this balloon and cover this bottle with the balloon and tie with the rubber band and put again the sugar particles on this balloon. Now you observe whether the sugar particles are moving or not. Obviously the sugar particles are stationary. There is no movement in the sugar particles. Why? Because there is no sound. There is no cell phone inside. So there is no movement in the sugar particles. Means the sugar particles are stationary. There is no movement. So from this case 1 and case 2 we can say that sound has energy. In the first case, due to the sound, the particles are dancing. There is a movement in the particles. So from this you can see that sound has energy. And here the sugar particles are stationary. So this is the activity. Thank you.